Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a mare. This is a female horse. She's in the barn. She's waving to her rider, saying, "Come on, let's get out to the field." But before we do, listen, I could use your help. Could you please give me a big thumbs up on this video? Just hit the thumbs up button. That would be great. It would help YouTube spread it out to a wider audience. All right, let's get to drawing. Start off with a large rectangle, and this will frame up our horse stall where she's waving at maybe her rider or who knows what. But make sure you draw the gate at the bottom part to be about 1/3. And now for our horse drawing, a nice curve on the left-hand side to be the left side of our horse. And then a nice long sweeping curve to be on the right side. And as you can see, I drew it a couple times, and that's okay. This is an underdrawing, and your underdrawings are going to have a little bit of loose sketchiness to them. On the inside, make sure you draw the left side of the body to be straight. Again, this straight line, in comparison to all the curved lines, creates a lot of contrast, and that's what we're looking for. Contrast in the way that we draw. It makes it interesting. All right, we got her mane, and now we're getting some ears in place. These nostrils for the horse are going to be 2 big ovals, and of course the one that's closest to us is larger. That will give a sense of depth. And then the same thing we're going to do with her eyes. The one further away is a little bit smaller than the one closer to us. Nice eyelashes that really will help to indicate it's a mare. Nice big smile. She's quite happy here. She's trying to get somebody's attention. All right, nice skinny arm. Again, a skinny arm on a big horse like this. It's funny because it adds contrast. It's impossible, but that's makes it humorous, and that's sometimes what we try to do in our drawings, is to make them humorous. Okay, our arm's coming across and it's resting on top of the gate. And now let's add some elements to the gate itself, and I'm going to start with the hinges. These are like 2 big triangles. Again, drawing very loosely, very light. That way when we come back in with a darker line, we'll have some guidance on what we want to do. And if you've made it this far, hey, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Yeah, pause the video, give me a thumbs up, and it helps YouTube pass this video on to other people. It's a great way to say thanks for me putting the video up. So, thumbs up. Thank you so much. Okay, we got a cross section of the gate there, and let's thicken our lines to create beams of wood here. You can see that I'm actually using the looseness of my drawing to indicate grains for wood. I'm going to put a little cobweb, a little barn spider up there in the corner. They're always delightful. We're almost at the end here, so I would pause the video right now if you've fallen behind a little bit. You have the samples on the left-hand side, and you can darken things in, and you can see how I colored mine. All right, well, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed our step-by-step tutorial of how to draw a mare. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.